I took my stock throttle housing off and was wondering what to do about my brake light switch. The black thing inside the stock housing that causes my front brake to trigger the brake light. Well, you can take that little thing and take it off. There's a little Phillips screwdriver, comes off, and you can put it in a receptacle such as this, which will hold the little black brake switch, throw it in there. And then there's a man who is paid every week to come by, and he will collect all the things you throw in that receptacle. I believe they're called a garbage man, yes. As long as your rear brake light switch is intact, you can remove the front brake light switch. You don't need it connected. If you're really paranoid and you only ever brake with your front brake, which seems insane, that's a real quick way to high side, go over those bars and die. You really don't need it. I mean, 99% of the time when you're braking, it's front and rear brakes together or just rear. I mean, my bike only has rear brakes. I only use my rear. You can get rid of that switch. You can take all the wiring out for it. You don't need any of that stuff. It just unscrews very simply and comes out of the housing. So that is what you do about the little brake light switch on your brake lever.